In this video I'm going to be introducing you to functions and we're just going to look at some very basic standard notation and show you what it means. So in my question I have if f of x equals 4x squared minus 3, find a few different things. Now f of x is just standard notation. It's notation we use and actually it's identical to just saying y. F of x equals y. You see it in the exams all the time, and actually it means the same thing. Y means f of x. So actually, this function is just a standard quadratic. It looks like this, where it passes through at minus 3. Now, if I want to find f of 2, I've taken f of x and got to f of 2. So all I'm going to do is put x equals 2 in. I want to find y when x is 2. So if I let x equal 2 in here, I do 4 times 2 squared, and then take away 3. I've let x equal 2. Now, 2 squared is 4, times 4 is 16, take away 3 is 13. Don't forget, BODMAS, you do the squared first, you then do the multiplication, then the subtraction. Identical to the second part, but this time x is negative 1. So, replace x with negative 1. Do the multiplication after you've done the brackets, so 4 times 1 is 4, take away 3 is 1. Last but no means least, we have to solve f of x equals 10. Now if you had a graph, you could do it graphically. You could go to wherever 10 is, okay, go across and go down. That would give you the two specific points. However, we don't have a graph, we want to solve it algebraically, so I'm going to replace f of x with the question, 4x squared minus 3 equal to 10. Bring the 3 across, rearrange for x, you get x squared equals 13 over 4, which means that x is root 13 over 4. Now that gives you the positive answer, that gives you this answer here. But don't forget, when you square root, you also get a negative. So actually, we have two separate answers. If the question requires you to, put it in your calculator, leave it to 2 decimal places or 3 sig figs.